And hey everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm your technical expert, Francisco, and today I will show you how to take prompt action and stop unauthorized data access to your stolen iPhone. So if you want to learn this life-saving hack, keep watching this video for step-by-step guides, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest troubleshooting tips. Part 1. Major threats to consider when iPhone is stolen. Having your iPhone lost can be a stressful or inconvenient experience, but beyond the loss of the device, your privacy and personal data are at risk. If you're not aware of those potential risks, let us go ahead and tell you that thieves can access your contacts, emails, photos, and even location. Later, they can use this information to demand ransomware, make unauthorized transactions, and steal your identity. Your personal information could be used to create fake accounts, make illegal calls, apply for loans, or even commit crimes. If you use your iPhone for work, then your company's emails, sensitive documents, and client information could be compromised. Without further delay, let's go ahead and take real-time steps to track the location of your lost iPhone so you can go ahead and start tracking it. Part 2. Use Find My to locate stolen iPhone. The very first way to track your iPhone's location is Apple's built-in Find My feature, which emerges as a beacon of hope. To locate your iPhone correctly, it uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth signals. Also, this feature will only work if your iPhone is not switched off and connected to the internet to provide real-time location. What's more, it can provide you with the last location before your iPhone is powered off. Anyhow, let's go ahead and jump further and see how to use the Find My app feature. Head to your trusted iDevice and locate the Find My app there. Open the application and allow the necessary permissions if required. Now look for your lost iPhone on the map and see its last recorded location. After finding it, just tap on it and get its exact location. Part 3. Using Lost Mode to lock stolen iPhone. While locating your lost iPhone from the Find My app, you will find a Lost Mode there. That option locks your iDevice even if you haven't set a passcode. Besides, it can write a custom message to display on the lost iPhone screen, increasing the chances of a return. The Lost Mode can also disable Apply Pay to prevent unauthorized purchases and play a loud sound when it detects your iPhone nearby. If you want to proceed, simply follow the following methods of using a trusted iDevice or iCloud to activate the Lost Mode. Activating Lost Mode using your trusted iDevice. From your Find My app, tap the device's option from the bottom toolbar and choose your lost iPhone. Following this, swipe your iPhone screen upward, locate the Mark as Lost section, and press the Activate option. Next, you will get yet another screen explaining the functions of enabling the Lost Mode. Give it a read and then proceed with the Continue button. The next screen will require your phone number, so go ahead and insert a reliable one and tap Next. It will navigate to yet another screen where you can write a message to display on your lost iPhone. So write one or skip this option entirely by choosing the Next option. Finally, confirm the information that you provided and hit Activate from the top right side to ensure a safer return of your lost iPhone. Activating Lost Mode using iCloud website. Go to the top right side and click the grid icon to open the Find My web application. Upon choosing that app, you'll get a list of all devices at the top left side. There, choose your lost iPhone and press the Mark as Lost feature. Afterward, you will get a prompt screen to enable Lost Mode, so tap the Next button. Now, the Next button will direct you to add your contact number on the next screen. Therefore, add your phone number in the relevant section and use the Next button to proceed. In the next window, you're asked to write a message for the lost iPhone screen and click the Activate button to enable the Lost Mode. Number 4. Erase the data of your stolen phone. Due to any reason that the efforts to locate your lost iPhone fail, you should go for protecting your sensitive data. Again, this process would require the Find My application, which has an option to erase your data to prevent the potential misuse of your details. Now, you must be wondering how to access this ability in the Find My app. Here are going to be the simplest steps that you need to perform. By following the earlier steps, activate the Lost Mode and choose Erase this device below it. After that, you will get another screen to proceed with the Continue button. There, just go ahead and add your phone number, which is totally optional, and then tap Erase option at the top right corner. If you're using the web version of Apple's Find My, locate this Erase this device option below the Lost Mode button. As you click on that option, a pop-up screen will appear, so just press the Next button. Afterward, finish the process by following the on-screen guidelines. Part 5. Other things to do if your iPhone is stolen. Apart from erasing your data to ensure the security of your iPhone, you can go ahead and take some additional measures to enhance your privacy further. So if you're interested in this, here's going to be a to-do list for minimizing the damage. Number 1 would just be to report it to the police. The first and foremost step that you should take is to just report your law enforcement agency as soon as possible. There, file a complaint describing the location, time, and circumstances of the theft. Also, you should provide mobile color, IMEI, number, model, and other details so authorities can locate your iPhone and track down the potential suspect. Number 2, make an insurance claim with AppleCare. Once you file a complaint about the theft of your iDevice, the police will provide you with the documents for further reference. You can use that paper to claim insurance if you have AppleCare Plus with theft and loss. Moreover, you need AppleCare proof of purchase with other documents upon request by AppleCare. What's more, your Find My app must be enabled on your iPhone at the time of loss, alongside the loss mode. Number 3, remove iPhone from trusted devices. Another crucial measure that you should take for data security is immediately removing the lost iPhone from your list of trusted devices. That would protect you from unauthorized access in case the thieves guess your password correctly. Basically, trusted devices are those that you have previously signed in using Apple ID and two-factor authentication, so carefully watch the steps that we're going to show you using an iOS device and the Apple ID website. To remove the lost iPhone from your secondary iDevice, head to its Settings app, then tap on your name, choose your lost iPhone, and scroll to press the Remove from Account button from the lost iPhone details. If you haven't found a trusted secondary iDevice to perform the earlier steps, visit the Apple ID website and then sign in with the Apple ID of your lost iPhone. As you log in, choose the Device tab from the left side, select your lost iPhone, and remove it using the Remove from Account button. Number 5 is going to be a bonus tip. Find stolen iPhone back, but it is locked now. Upon watching this video, there are going to be many chances that you have successfully gotten back your lost or stolen iPhone, but the frustration could remain the same in case your iPhone is locked due to invalid password inputs or any other reason. You don't need to worry here, because I have a simple solution for you in the form of Wondershare Dr.Fone Screen Unlock. Through this iOS Screen Unlock tool, yes, you can actually regain access to your iPhone effortlessly. It can unlock your iOS with a 4-digit, 6-digit, or even custom numeric code regardless of your iOS version from iOS 7 all the way up until iOS 17. Moreover, it can remove Apple ID from your iPhone if you remove its password. If you were using iTunes for backup but have forgotten the password, this tool can actually remove it for you without any data loss as well. So let us remind you that Wondershare Dr.Fone is a comprehensive toolkit with a user-friendly interface to tackle your iPhone-related issue, but we will still guide you in detailed steps on how to unlock the iPhone without a passcode, so no kind of ambiguity doesn't really remain here. First of all, access the main interface of Wondershare Dr.Fone after installing it on your computer and navigate to the toolbox at the top left side panel. Then choose the Screen Unlock tool and iOS as the device type. Now the specific tool will be launched in a new window, and you can continue by selecting the Unlock iOS screen feature. Tap the Start button for the next screen, and the process will be initiated. Then follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into recovery mode, according to the model that you own. Once your iPhone is successfully put into recovery mode, this tool will detect and display your device model. Verify it along with choosing the iOS version and proceed with the Start button. After pressing the Start button, iOS firmware will start displaying the progress of being downloaded. Wait for the process, and as it is finished, continue to select the Unlock Now button to execute unlocking the iPhone. Next, you will receive a pop-up asking for confirmation of the process, which you need to go ahead and confirm with the required code. Enter the code to hit the Unlock button and see the next progress bar. During this process, keep your device connected to the computer, and as the iDevice gets unlocked, click the Done button. If it's still locked, then use the Try Again option and restart the process. Okay guys, that's going to be very much it from my side, and I hope that you can now locate your lost iPhone after watching this step-by-step video. Otherwise, report a complaint, claim for insurance, or at least remove your iPhone from a trusted device to keep yourself secure. We're ending this discussion here for today, and the key takeaway is that if you find your iPhone back, use Wondershare Dr.Fone Screen Unlock to regain access to your iPhone. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel for the upcoming tech videos just like this, and very informative ones for that matter. Now with that said, until next time, have a good one, and I'll see you.